In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your first note in Evernote. If you're new to Evernote or simply looking for a refresher, you've come to the right place. Evernote is an incredibly versatile tool that's perfect for capturing and organizing all sorts of information. Whether you're taking down meeting notes, drafting a to-do list, or just jotting down your thoughts, Evernote has you covered. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open Evernote on your preferred platform. It could be on your computer, your tablet, your smartphone, or directly in a web browser. The beauty of Evernote is that it's accessible from virtually any device, ensuring that your notes are always at your fingertips. Now, once you've got Evernote open, look for the green plus New Note button. This button is going to be your gateway to creating your very first note. You should see it prominently displayed on your screen, whether you're using the desktop application, mobile app, or the web version. Go ahead and click or tap on that button. With just that simple action, you've now opened a blank canvas for your thoughts. The next step involves adding a title to your note. Think of the title as a quick reference or headline that tells you at a glance what the note is about. It can be anything you want. Keep it short, descriptive, and to the point. Now that you've got your title sorted out, it's time to dive into the main content of your note. Evernote provides you with a flexible space here. You can type out text, which is probably the most straightforward way to start outlining your ideas. But beyond just simple text, Evernote allows you to enhance your note with a variety of content types. If you're organizing tasks, consider adding a checklist. Simply insert one, and you have a handy way to keep track of what needs to be done. Maybe you've got images or files related to your note. You can easily drag and drop those into the note. Evernote also supports audio notes, which is particularly useful if you prefer speaking your thoughts aloud or wish to record a meeting. Explore these features to fully leverage the power of Evernote. A great feature to note here is that Evernote automatically saves your work as you go along. No need to worry about clicking save every few seconds or ripping your hair out if something closes unexpectedly. Your note will be saved in your default notebook, the hub for all the notes you create unless you've chosen a specific notebook for it to reside in. This automatic saving process ensures that you don't lose any part of your note and can effortlessly pick up right where you left off. And that's it. You've just created your first note in Evernote. Feel free to continue experimenting with different types of content and organizational methods within Evernote to see what best suits your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy note-taking.